Imagine using insects as a source of chemicals to create plastic that would later biodegrade, with the help of the insects themselves. This concept is closer to reality than you think. Today, the researchers describe their progress so far, including isolating and purifying insect-derived chemicals and converting them into functional bioplastics. The researchers will present their findings at the fall meeting of the American Chemical Society, ACS. For 20 years, my team has been developing methods to transform natural products, such as glucose obtained from sugar cane or trees, into polymers that can be used as polymers, says Karen Woolley, PhD, principal. Biodegradable and digestible, non-existent in the environment. Project investigator. But these natural products are harvested from resources that are also used for food, fuel, construction, and transportation. So Woolley began researching alternative sources that did not have these competing applications. Her colleague Dr. Jeffrey Tomberlin suggested that she could use the waste left over from black soldier fly farming, a booming industry he helped develop. The larvae of these flies contain a lot of protein and other nutritional compounds, so immature insects are increasingly raised for fodder and waste consumption. However, the adults have a short lifespan after the end of the breeding day and are subsequently discarded. At Tomberlin's suggestion, these adult corpses became the new starting material for Woolley's group. "We're turning what's really wasted into something useful," said Cassidy Tibbetts, a graduate student working on the project in Woolley's lab at Texas A&M University. Products made from these chemical building blocks will break down or digest when thrown away, so they won't contribute to today's plastic pollution problem. Woolley's vision for this process will align with the concept of a sustainable circular economy. "Ultimately, we want insects to eat plastic waste as a food source, which we will then harvest and collect their components to make new plastic," she said. So insects are not only a source but also a consumer of discarded plastic.